Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mahek and I hope you guys are doing extremely well. Today's video is gonna be all about my moving to my graduate housing. Today's the day when I finally get the lease of my housing. There are a lot of things that needs to be done. The place where I'm staying right now is in complete mess because I have stayed here for the past entire week. So if you don't know, then 1 week of my college is already over. So there is a lot of packing that needs to be done for now, and I'm just sorting my things out, and within an hour or so we have to leave from here. So whatever it is, I'm going to be vlogging as much as I can and of course take you guys along with me. So without further delay, let's get into the video. That is all the mess I have over here which I need to sort it out, and there are a few things here as well. Here are all the bags that I have to carry. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the small ones, but I have like 3 big bags. Okay guys, we have finally reached here and I had like only 1.5 hours to set up my entire room. I don't think I'm going to show you guys the room where I'm staying right now because it's very unfurnished. Like there is absolutely nothing there. There is just the bed, a table and a chair. That is it. And I just came here, kept my stuff and organized it in a nice proper way. Also there is mom and bhai, both of them are here. They came here to help me and set everything. So we are finally done. So right now I'm just gonna leave my stuff over here and we are heading back. We left from my apartment now because the other roommates are gonna come in the next 3 to 4 days. So of course I'm not gonna stay alone till the time they come. So I'll be moving in like next 3 to 4 days, but I'm at least happy that today was Sunday and I got a good chance to settle down my things and just organize them the way I wanted it to be. Right now we are heading out to Walmart because I need to buy a few basic stuff, like I'll have to buy a bed sheet, a laundry bag, a small table and other essential things. Done with the shopping. I took a set of hanger, then that one is a rug and that's the comforter set, and on top of it is a laundry bag. I think this much should be enough for now. There is a cute dustbin also which I took, but I forgot to tell about that. While I was moving to my apartment, I realized that I did not carry enough Indian clothes from India and I felt so bad about it. But guess what? Are you somebody who is looking for latest Indian clothes in the US? Are you tired of all the struggles that comes when you need to shop something from India while you are in the US? You can put an end to all your troubles since Indie Trunk is right by your side. Indie Trunk is your next door Indian store in the US, which will now help you fetch all the things you miss from India. Indie Trunk is an online shopping store which will help you buy Indian products from Indian stores but online. So what are you waiting for? You do not have to miss India anymore since all the things from India is going to be just 1 click away from you. And also there are so many added advantages when you shop from Indie Trunk. Shop from Indie Trunk and you get your hands on things which are exclusively made only and only in India. Amazon, Myntra and so many more. Click on your favorite store and shop from best in India. Whether you are looking for men's t-shirt, women's kurta, watches, accessories, handicrafts, clothes for your babies, you have all of this covered on Indie Trunk. You can get all the products at such an affordable price, and also you don't have to worry about any additional charges like custom duties or any other fees, but you just have to pay a nominal shipping fee of $29.99 to get your stuff delivered from India to the US. Latest fashion and trending style is something that Indie Trunk is highly committed to. You do not have to shop from anywhere else as you can find everything just at one place. Get a 100% refund or there is an exchange policy for you in case you end up getting a product that you do not like. Do not worry, Indie Trunk has you covered for that as well. Indie Trunk is known for its fast and secure delivery, for their affordable charges and their reliable network of the courier partners. I'll be leaving a link to their website down in the description box so that you guys can check it out and start ordering from your favorite Indian stores today itself. Hey guys, so it's been like 2 days from when we came here last and I'm in the grad housing again, and today I'm here to set a few basic things that were essential before I move in. And also today I'll be showing you guys around the apartment because it's still empty and raw, so I thought that it's going to be a better option to take you guys around today, because honestly I don't know how clean is the apartment going to look after we move in here. So starting with here is the large kitchen that they have. I really like open kitchens and this is how it looks. Also in the kitchen all the appliances are included, like there is a fridge, there are like induction stoves, there is a microwave. Over here is a dishwasher as well, and over there is the living room. He's sitting as if this is his own house, but anyways, oh, that's a moving cart which I took to move my stuff in. Moving over here are the 2 rooms that we have. Like none of these rooms are mine, and right in front of that, let me switch on the lights, is the washroom. So the people living in these 2 rooms will be sharing this washroom. And over that side is where my room is, so let's go. So the C1 is my room, but I'll show that to you in a while. And that's another room. So all the rooms more or less look the same. And over here is our washroom. So there's a huge space like outside the washroom, and there are a few closets as well down, which is a really good part. And there is more of storage over here. Like when you open this, that's the entire closet, and I have kept my food and stuff like that already over here. Also, I forgot to mention about this, that there is an in-house laundry. The down one is the washing machine and above that is the dryer. We are setting up the bed today, and look who came to help me. Are you doing a good job?
Yes.
Are you liking it? And now you have to keep that also. Where was it? It was down. Yeah, thank you. Finally, the bed is setted up. I got that new bed sheet from Walmart, and this is a raw view of how it looks like. There is still a lot of mess, like there is tissue and everything. I still have to set up my table because you can see how messy it is, but it's just work in progress. Right in front of the bed is the cupboard that we have. So I have not taken out all of my clothes yet. It is still in the bags, but it's a manageable size of closet. There were a few reasons that why I opted out for the grad housing rather than renting an apartment outside, but maybe I can speak more on this in some other video. Hey guys, what's up? As you can see from the background already, that I have shifted to my new room in the grad housing, and this feels like such a relief. Also, there are a few things that I need to do in the room as well, so it is still a work in progress. I'm still working on setting up my room and my bathroom and a few stuff here and there. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, then you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you haven't already. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for more real-time updates. Lots of love and see you next time. Bye.